Hello, welcome to Boot Infotech. We are come to learn how to create a bootable pen drive. A lot of people don't know how to create a bootable pen drive, but don't worry, after this lesson, you'll get to know. First of all, you have to connect your USB drive to your computer. Then go to search and search for command prompt CMD. Then launch it as an administrator. Okay. Second step, you have to type disk path, then enter. Okay, then you have to list all your disks on your system. So let's list it. List disks. So these are the drives that are on my system: my hard drive and my pen drive. So we have to choose the pen drive that we want to format. So we'll type select our pen drive is disk 1, so select disk 1, then you enter. Disk 1 has been selected. The next step, to make a pen drive bootable, there's a need to format it to clean the existing data. This can be done by the use of clean command. So we have to clean our drive. So we type clean, then enter. The drive has been cleaned. That's the disk 1 has been cleaned. The next thing, you have to create a partition. You have to partition the drive that you want going to make it bootable. So we will type create path prime. That's the short way. Then we enter. So disk 1 has been created. So after it, the next step, you have to choose the partition you want to format. So you have to select partition 1. So you type select part 1. That's partition in short. So partition 1 has been selected. Before making the disk bootable, you have to format your disk to make it ready. This can be done with the use of a command format fs ntfs quick. If you make it quick, it will be faster, but when you did not put quick, it will keep more longer. So let's format it. Type format fs ntfs, and we put quick. Let's enter. So we wait for it to finish formatting. So now disk part successfully formatted the volume. So after it, you have to take it an active. So you type active. Our disks have been active. We have to exit. Done. Our disks have been created. So after it, you go to hard drive, check, it is there, it has been created. So let's extract our extract it. So after extracting it, you copy and you put it there. That's it. It has been done. So you can copy your OS and put it on your pen drive. Or you can use a refuse, or you can use Power ISO, anyone that you want to use. I hope you have learned something. Don't forget to subscribe. See you on my next video.